Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Windows 11 operating system on your various unsupported devices. So let's get started. First of all, you will need two files. You will need a tool called Rufus, and you will need the bootable ISO Windows 11 file. So first of all, let's download the Rufus. I'll drop the link in the description below. So here you click on the Rufus. This is the Rufus version 3.18. So click on download. After downloading it, you head to the Windows 11 Microsoft website to download the Windows 11. I will also be dropping the link in the description below. So here you click on this download Windows 11 disk image ISO. So here you select Windows 11 multi edition ISO, then you can click on the download button to begin your download. So after downloading the Windows 11 files, the required files, you go ahead and open the Rufus software. You don't need to install it. Here, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you have a flash drive of at least 88 gigabytes and above. So here I have my flash drive with me. This 64 gig flash drive. Here, as you can see, I just inserted my flash drive now. Now make sure this is selected, disk or ISO image. Now you select the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded. Let me locate it. Here's the Windows 11 ISO file I downloaded. So go ahead and click on open. Here it's already mounted. The next thing you need to do here is to select the image option. Here you will need to choose the extended Windows 11 installation with no TPM and no secure boot. So you select it. This will ensure that the Windows 11 file won't check for the TPM 2.0 and secure boot requirements. So here in the partition scheme, you need to determine if you are running your hard disk is running on MBR or GPT. So to determine that, you open up your disk management. You can search for it. Here is the disk management. When you open it up, go over to the disk 0. Right click on it and click on properties. Here you move over to the volumes tab. As you can see, the partition style here is master boot record, which is MBR. So you can go ahead and click on OK once you have determined the partition style for your hard disk. You can close it and select MBR here. Now after selecting MBR, you don't need to do any other much stuff. You can ignore the rest of the settings and click on start. Here it will pop up a warning that all the data on your flash drive will be formatted. So you can go ahead and click on OK, but make sure you back up your important files in your flash drive first before proceeding with this tutorial, and click on OK. It will take about 20 to 25 minutes for the process to be completed. So you have to wait for it patiently for it to complete the whole process. While we are waiting for it, I think I'll have to pause the video and continue once it's done, so that I don't have to waste much of your time. So welcome back. As you can see here, the process has taken up to 20 minutes already, so we have to wait a little bit for it to complete the whole process. Here you can see it's saying removing Windows 11 installation restrictions, so it's almost done. Have to wait a little bit now for it to be completed. Here we go. The Windows 11 installation is now ready. So the whole process is done now. As you can see, you can go ahead and close the Rufus software. Now you can open up your file explorer and open your flash drive. Here you can install the Windows 11 from here as an upgrade to your Windows 10 or something like that. Once you install from here, it will make sure all your apps and settings are not removed, or otherwise you can go ahead and shut down your system and do a clean install of the Windows 11. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. The link to the Windows 11 ISO file and the Rufus tool will be in the video description below, so go ahead and download it. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and give us a thumbs up and make sure to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.